Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study karate at home. First, find a clear, safe space in your home, ensuring you have enough room to move freely without hitting anything. Next, wear comfortable clothing that allows for a full range of motion. Before starting any techniques, warm up your body properly with light cardio and dynamic stretches. This prepares your muscles and joints for training, helping to prevent any injuries and improve your flexibility. Now, let's focus on foundational techniques. Begin by learning basic stances like the front stance, ensuring your balance and posture are correct. Then, practice fundamental blocks such as the rising block and the downward block, paying close attention to their precise execution. Finally, drill basic punches like the straight punch, focusing on power and proper body mechanics. Repetition is key here. Once you have a grasp of the basics, move on to practicing kata or forms. Watch instructional videos to learn the sequences and mimic the movements carefully. Perform repetitive drills to build speed, power, and muscle memory for each technique. Using a mirror can be incredibly helpful to check your technique and correct any errors in your posture or execution. Consistency is absolutely crucial for making progress in your home karate training. Establish a regular training schedule, even if it's just 20 minutes daily, to build a strong habit. Consider recording your practice sessions to review your form and track your improvements, which can be a great motivator. Finally, seek feedback from online communities or resources to refine your technique further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.